Hello there, guys. Hello and welcome in this video about ChatGPT, a powerful tool for programmers. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about ChatGPT and what it is, and what it is all about, and how it can help you as a programmer to advance, and even if you're also getting started. So, let's begin. Now, ChatGPT is a language model that uses machine learning to generate natural language responses to prompts. It was developed by OpenAI, and it is available for use through um, a simple API. So, why might a programmer want to use ChatGPT? So, one reason is that ChatGPT can help with code completion and suggestion. So, as a programmer, you may often find yourself stuck on a problem, not sure how to proceed with a certain piece of code. So, what ChatGPT will do for you, it will suggest a possible solution or solutions or next steps based on the information you provide it. So, another reason is that ChatGPT can assist you with documentation. As a programmer, you know how important, clear, and concise documentation is for your own understanding of code as well as for others so who may be working with it. So what happens here is that ChatGPT can generate documentation for you based on code and comments you provide, saving you time and effort. So what I can say, ChatGPT can also be used for testing. You can use it to generate test cases, verify your code is working as expected, and especially this is useful for testing edge cases for ensuring that your code is robust and reliable. So what I can say in summary, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for programmers and assists with code completion, documentation, and testing. So just give it a try and see how it can help you as a programmer. Now, that piece of information I've just read was prepared by ChatGPT. It is just a script. So this is a very powerful tool, I can say. And as a programmer or as programmers, you don't need to be afraid of anything because this tool can help you to do a lot and to do it very fast, um, especially when you want to work on a project which has deadlines. Now, look at this website here. This website here was created by ChatGPT. So I never coded anything. It's only these images that I had to place them. But everything else, the navbar, the about me, everything else was created by ChatGPT. So I just told it to create for me a website which has HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, and it's a portfolio website, and it was able to do that. Now, what does this mean as a programmer? This means that this chat has eliminated some of the things that would take a programmer. Um, that is basic stuff that as a programmer you do not want to engage in. You just need to focus on the maybe the difficult parts of whichever application that you're creating, and then just leave these other parts for it to do it for you. So what happens here, you just need to come to the chat. Here, for example, I can tell it, write me code in HTML, CSS to create um, a card with images. To create, for example, three cards. Write for me a code in HTML and CSS to create three cards. Would be so you also need to know it can even correct your grammar and so forth. It can do many things apart from from programming. So if you have not looked at it, you need to do it. So yeah, let's see what it will do. So it just begins creating the code for you. This is very awesome. This is very awesome. That means I was thinking of creating such a program, but now it just does this for you. Let me pause and then come back when it is done. All right, so now it has done this. So this is the code that has been generated for us. So I have my text editor, and you can see this is the code I was telling you about the portfolio. So it created this from scratch. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a .html file like this, and then what I'm going to do here, let me generate some boilerplate code, and then here I'm going to copy this and then paste it there like that. Now we also need, it also gave us the styling. So let me just put styling for the card which it just created. And then that should be this one here. So and then I save this and then I just link the style sheet. This is card.css like that. So it is working. Now so now what I need to do here, is still loading. Okay. Right, so what we need to do here is since I'm running this on a live server, so let me just replace this with .html. So these are the cards. So you can see it has created for us wonderful cards. So what I may do here is replace this with the image that I have already. So this is what will happen. So I have images and then software developer like that, and then save this and then see. So you can see, and then when you look at it, they are very good. They are looking very nice. They even have a over effect. Now you can imagine I would take some time creating this if I was creating myself. But this app, this tool has just created for you everything, the CSS. This is very amazing, guys. So what you need to do is that our development has been isn't, and some of you may be afraid, may be saying, oh, maybe as a software developers our jobs may go away, but you don't need to be afraid. This tool is there to help us as programmers, and I also suggest learning artificial intelligence so that you can yeah, you can also get to know how artificial intelligence works, and because it's also part of development. So guys, this is it. Just wanted to show you this particular tool and what it can do. So if you have not tried it or it's your first time hearing of it, please go and try and see what it can do for you. So let's meet in the next video. Um, let's meet in the next video.